CPP Disability Ontario and Nicolini Law, Adrian Nicolini and ASHLYN STEELE, Part 10. I've included a few conversations between Rose, previous co-worker, and myself for your review, okay? Rose injured her right hand on the job at Mobility in 2013. She was sent back to work to use her left hand. That's what they did to me too, eh? Then both hands were injured, just like mine. Both hands were in pain, that's why I was off work. In 2018, Rose was still denied by WSIB. Yeah, 2018, I got fired in 2018, May 2018, okay? At the time, Rose's injury was not tenosynovitis, but other related issues. You know, not sure if it was carpal tunnel or whatever, but yeah, she had both hands in pain. Her hands weren't swollen. So I'm not sure what was her diagnosis, okay? Here, it says on 16th of August 2018, right? This was Rose email messaging me. Spoke with WSIB today. I told them that my injury was job related and it started in 2013. Bell is in a pickle for not reporting it early on, right? So on the 30th of August 2018, this was after, you see, the conversation was after I got fired from my job on May 24th, 2018, okay? Here, Rose said, I was declined by WSIB. I'm sad. I have no protection whatsoever. Know that they took away the ramp up, okay? Ramp up, we know what we're talking about, okay? Then I said, oh my God, really? Then Rose, on the September 6, 2018, Rose said, I got the report from CBI that they used to decline our WSIB claim. I did explain our CBI report that says that our work is not hard. We have 51% of idle time. They botched, they made up our job duty, thinking that is not hard. We went through that already on previous presentation, okay? Then on 7th of September 2018, she said, I'll be meeting the first lawyer I contacted next week. Yeah, she was a smart cookie, so she had her evidences and stuff too, right? So she went to a lawyer. Then the 11th of September 2019, she said, hi, Delane, I just came from a lawyer's office. I have some questions. I hope you can call me back. Okay? Feel free to pause and read. On the 18th of October 2018, I said, good morning, Rose. This was me in blue. How are you? I hope that all is well, right? And then Rose indicated, good morning. I got a letter from MANULIFE that they are suspending my benefits as of the 8th of October 2018. Yeah. Okay. I don't know what to do. So denied by WSIB and denied by MANULIFE Insurance. That's what happened to me too, okay? And then I said, oh my, can I call you? And then she told me that she have a medical appointment and all that. So 14th of April 2021, fast forward now, jump to 2021. Rose said, good morning. Today is a session at 10 a.m. I emailed you last week, social assistance program for those denied by WSIB. Okay? And the 16th of January 2021, hello, Delane, it's the 38 injured workers. Yes, I've been there to the injured workers thing. Yeah. So we were injured on the job. So that was, I was no longer interested because I realized the system was not for me. Okay, please feel free to pause and read. Thank you. 2 years later, after I was denied by CPP disability, then came the final decision. 2022. So they make sure secure the roles. Then 2 years later, okay, I was denied by CPP disability in 2022. Okay. Defamation of character by CPP disability Ontario, January 2022. Final decision by CPP disability Ontario include the defamation of my character, as I did mention. Okay. NICOLIN'S law firm released itself from the deceitful CPP Disability Ontario appeal. Okay, mission accomplished. NICOLIN'S falsely appealed the CPP Disability, which had marred my records in the Canadian system. Okay. Since I retained NICOLIN'S law for WSIB appeal on April 10, 2017, my case had not progressed beyond that point. NICOLIN'S law did not represent me as his client, but acted under pretense as my case was denied by WSIT, which is a tribunal. He was also deceitful right? Deceptive with CPP disability. While I was employed and still with WSIB, placed a claim for CPP disability benefits. He continued to falsely acted on my behalf until I was denied by CPP disability. And here's the letter. Okay. Please feel free to read. January 14, 2022. Okay. It says here, we write to advise that we are unable to continue the social Nicolini law firm, eh? Oh, as if they... Okay, we are unable to continue to represent you in respect of to your WSIB file and tribunal appeal, including your CPP file and appeal. Our office has been unable to make contact with you. I would not contact this lawyer. Nope, unless I'm foolish. Yeah. Okay. So because I was not, he could not get a hold of me in anything, right? He actually release himself. Please feel free to pause and read if you can, okay? I've enlarged it for you. Okay. So here's a denial letter. Okay. January 20th, 2022. Okay. And it says, further to our notice of appeal dated January 15, 2021. Okay. So a year later, 2022. Okay. We write to confirm that this law firm no longer represent Miss Delane Grant with respect to her above appeal CPP claim. Okay, the Nicolini law firm is writing to Social Security Tribunal, CPP disability. Okay, all right, and here's the decision in April 2022. April 12, 2022, okay? CPP disability. Attached is the decision on this appeal, okay? And it says, if you disagree with the decision, you can appeal, okay? Please feel free to pause and read. I was denied. Okay, a lot of, if you want to read, yeah, but these people don't know anything about me or anything. So, yeah, I did highlight some stuff, but again, this was not a representation of me. Remember? It's representation of Nicolini law and my doctor, Dr. James Chang, because they made me out to be mental. Okay? All right. And all along some false report on dates and stuff and whatever. So it's not, this is not me. All right? After my years of hard work and studies, putting myself through school, CPP disability is actually telling me that I should find general labor work. Because I'm black, eh? Because I do not have any education other than grade 12. Due to my injury, I am unable to work anywhere else because the diagnosis still exists. Also, due to the infrequent sleepless nights in pain, Mobility had various options to accommodate, but refused to do so. Mobility could have accommodated me. Okay, here is CPP. What CPP disability said about me here? It says, 10. This means I have to look at all the applicant's medical conditions together to see what effect they have on her ability to work. I also have to look at her background, including her age, level of education, and past work and life experience. This is so I can get a realistic or real world picture of whether disability is severe. If the applicant is able to regularly do some kind of work that she could earn a living from, then she isn't entitled to a disability pension. Remember, my doctor said I can do any type of work. My doctor who stated he didn't know anything about my injury. Okay. See, Rose and I have tenosynovitis. Mine, at a point in time, was worse than Rose because my hand has been swollen. Evidently, it is evident that my hand has been swollen. Rose, unless Rose say, my hands are in pain, you wouldn't know. But yeah, she knows what she's feeling. You understand? But mine was visible, right? yet Rose was approved and I was denied. Okay. It says reasons for decision. And it says here, I find the applicant hasn't proven she had a severe and prolonged disability by December 31st, 2020. So Rose was taking the cortisone injection. When I saw Rose, I don't remember how many cortisone injections she took, right? What they were forcing me to take. And I told that Dr. Silverberg said it would not work. It was too late for it. Okay. Rose took so many till her doctor told her that she cannot get any more. And Rose said that it's like her injury is worse than ever. Huh? So what they wanted me disabled. They wanted to inject me with an injection that would not work. And then I guess that's why Rose got approved. Because actually she's in a lot of pain. She is in a lot of pain. Yeah. Okay. Okay, was the appellant's disability severe? The appellant's disability wasn't severe. Okay. All right. As I said, I did not apply for CPP disability. No. No. All right. Didn't know anything about it. Please feel free to pause and read if you can. Thank you. Okay. Please feel free to pause and read. These are just the reports. Here I would like to address because it says here for 37, next I will look at whether the applicant followed medical advice. The applicant hasn't followed medical advice. Wow. I have a question sign here. So the medical evidence supports that by December 31st, 2020, the applicant's right, risk, and forearm pain likely affected her ability to do the keyboarding tasks required at her prior job. Okay. Please feel free to pause and read, and I will actually address this matter. Okay. Please feel free to stay with me. Okay. Thank you. Please feel free to pause and read. And the conclusion. I find that the applicant isn't eligible for CPP disability pension because her disability isn't severe. I'm still off work, right? I'm still off work, okay? If I should work, it would not be fair to the company because I would be off work. I cannot use my hand to do work, so I would have sleepless nights. Yeah. And now and again, even sometimes I'm not doing anything. It's throbbing, it's in pain. Yeah. Anyway, what do they know, eh? All right. So I was denied. Please feel free to pause and read. Thank you. And as they would say, a CPP disability said, I can work, okay? So that report came in 2022. I think April 2022, that's what I saw, right? So this is December 2022. See my hand? Okay, CPP disability Ontario decision was finalized on April 12, 2022. See picture below of my hand dated December 14, 2022. Would you agree CPP disability Ontario that stated my injury isn't severe or prolonged? Tell me about it, okay? Please feel free to review my hand. Yeah, it looks deformed, okay? You see how it looks, okay? Thank you for your time. See you over in my next presentation on CPP disability. Thank you.